just showing you the rules. Today we're making the seasons with an orange, with a pencil, and with a push pin, and with a marker, and with a flashlight. First of all, get your push pin and just put a hole if you don't know how to like connect the pencil and the orange, and then get the pencil and squeeze it into the orange like it's nothing, like. And now you can do this. And if you're an old fan like me, you can just draw continents on it, such as like just continents. The equator. Make the equator. After when you're done, make the put the North Pole and the South Pole. If you want to do it on both sides, you can do it on both sides. Then get your push pin and put it somewhere where you live. I'm gonna put it at I'm gonna put it at the US. Wherever you live. And then boom, you made the Earth. So now you have an Earth which has the place where you're living on, and you need someone to hold a flashlight, or you can just put the flashlight on the ground. Then put the Earth, and then pretend it's your universe and you're spinning it. You can tell by the Earth that it's changing, that when you are moving, outside on our planet is getting light. If you live in India or US or China or United Kingdom, you can get a difference between that. Oh, look, the sun is bright. And if you're in the night, okay, the sun is dark. I need to go to the bed. As some people just suggest. But in reality, what we're actually seeing is our satellite, the moon. And that's how we have day and night. But in reality, the Earth is tilted, which gives us a tilted effect, which makes us look like that. But when we're on the Earth, how come the Earth is looking like it's not even tilted? Well, because the Earth is halfly tilted, so it looks like it doesn't look tilted. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. And comment. Bye.
For more space-related videos, subscribe to Sharwin Universe. Embrace the universe within.